Mr. Speaker, Mr. Vice President, members of Congress, my fellow Americans. Today in America,
while there is much debate over what President Obama will discuss at tomorrow night's State of the Union address, the White House released one of its most anticipated guest lists this morning, who will be sitting with First Lady Michelle Obama during the speech. The 22 guests include students, educators, healthcare and government officials, and people who wrote letters to the president, including 13-year-old Malik Bryant, who said all he wanted for Christmas was safety in his Southside Chicago neighborhood. Other notable guests include USAID subcontractor Alan Gross, who was recently united with his wife after 5 years in prison in Cuba. Astronaut Scott Kelly, who will be the first American to live and work on the International Space Station for a year. And Watch United Weekend co-founder Prophet Walker, who served a 6-year prison sentence for robbery and started a prison program to give inmates chances to get 2-year degrees. The invitees showcase some themes of President Obama's speech, such as his recent decision to normalize relations with Cuba after Gross's release. Other past State of the Union guests include openly gay former NBA player Jason Collins and Apple CEO Tim Cook. The address is also a chance to emphasize everyday people's contributions to the country, such as Corey Remsburg, who was honored in last year's address after being partially paralyzed in Afghanistan.
And like the Army he loves, like the America he serves, Sergeant First Class Corey Remsburg never gives up and he does not quit. Corey.
For more coverage on the 2015 State of the Union, go to usatoday.com.